In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to people without a microphone in Discord. If you don't have a microphone or simply prefer not to use your voice, Discord offers several easy ways to communicate with other people. Whether you're chatting with friends, participating in a community server, or joining a gaming session, you can still stay involved without speaking. Let's go through the different options available. Start by opening Discord on your computer or mobile device and sign into your account if needed. Once you're in Discord, open the server, direct message, or group chat where you want to communicate. The simplest way to talk without a microphone is by using the text chat. Click the message box at the bottom of the channel or conversation, type your message, and press enter to send it. Text chat is available in servers, direct messages, and group chats, making it the most common way to communicate without using your voice. If you're already connected to a voice channel but don't have a microphone, you can continue participating by typing in the server's text channels while listening to everyone else. This allows you to respond to conversations without interrupting the voice chat, and other members can easily read your messages as the discussion continues. Another option is to use emojis and reactions. You can react to messages with emojis to quickly show agreement, appreciation, excitement, or other emotions without typing a full response. This is especially useful during fast-paced conversations where a quick reaction is all that's needed. You can also communicate using GIFs, stickers, and images. These can help express your thoughts or emotions in a more visual way and make conversations more engaging. Simply use the available options in the message box to choose the content you want to send. If you're in a voice channel and need to share something important, you can type your message in the appropriate text channel so everyone can read it. This is a convenient way to stay involved even if you don't have a microphone or prefer not to speak. Take a few moments to become familiar with Discord's text features, including mentions, replies, and message formatting. These tools can make your conversations clearer and help ensure that the right people see your messages. With these communication options, you can easily stay connected with friends and communities on Discord without ever needing a microphone. Whether you're chatting casually or participating in a group discussion, Discord provides plenty of ways to communicate comfortably. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,